Ready to tee off. It's golfer one. He is going to love this drive. Here again is golfer one.
It's a very favorable lie, Jim.
He'll be happy with this. Golfer one will be putting. It's in for a birdie 3. Golfer one on tee. Peter, any thoughts?
A soft touch or it'll be too much.
Golfer one looking at a birdie. Golfer one hoping to salvage par. Golfer one from the tee box. Golfer one for birdie. Golfer one ready to putt. He got his par. Golfer one ready to hit. A drive to remember.
Go, go, go.
Golfer one with an eagle attempt. Golfer one on tee. Over to golfer one. Pull out the putter. He's on the green. Golfer one with a birdie putt. On tee now, golfer one. Not that and not now. Golfer one. Golfer one ready to putt. And it's in for bogey. Ready to tee it up. Golfer one. It caught the leaf of that tree, Peter. Golfer 1 trying for bogey. Golfer 1 on the green. Let's watch the tee shot of Golfer 1. Golfer 1, this for birdie. Golfer 1 will putt. Nice par, Peter. Golfer 1 from the tee box.
This one made it on, Jim.
Golfer 1, a shot for birdie. Golfer 1 with the putter, trying for par. Ready to tee off, it's Golfer 1. Peter, he's in the fairway. Back to the talented Golfer 1. Golfer 1 on the green, trying for eagle. The tee.
Jim, it's perfectly in the fairway.
Golfer 1 to strike the ball.
I think it might land in the drink.
Golfer 1 on the dance floor. In for bogey. tee, it's golfer one. Golfer one. Well, it's on the green, Peter. Golfer one prepares to putt. Nothing wrong with that. A par. Golfer one on tee.
That's huge.
Returning to golfer one. On the green, that'll work. Golfer one, a birdie attempt. Yes, count it. It's in. And now the tee shot of golfer one.
There's sand, Jim. It may be heading in.
What's it look like to you, Peter?
A light shot here, but not too light.
Well, indeed. Golfer one with the blade and putting for par. On tee now, it's golfer one.
Can't be sure, but it looks bad.
This has every chance of being wet.
No, my friend. All is well.
And now, golfer one. Golfer one with a bogey putt. Next up, golfer one.
He's trimming the trees, Jim.
Golfer one. Looking good. Returning to golfer one. Golfer one looking at birdie. Golfer 1, this left for par. Golfer 1 at the tee. Uh-oh. Golfer 1 on the green with a bogey putt. Golfer 1 on tee at the finishing hole. Take out the putter. Golfer 1 with a putt for birdie. In the cup, Peter.